Hi everybody, today we're going to try this new Mellow pillow, so let's check it out. I have been very excited to get this one because you know I love pillows. And this one looks pink. Ooh, it's purple. Ooh, pretty. Look at her. So what I'm interested in about this is this little neck wrap it has right here. I'm interested to see if this is too firm for like my neck, or even this side. But I'm also very interested in the fact that it has this little cutout. So let me show you a little bit about this. You see how it has this cutout? I'm not sure if you can see it. There you go. You can see it now. See that? So that is how they get the firmness in the neck right here. So you can see when I take see how it's got that little neck bump? So that's what's doing that, right? And that's just like a little piece of foam that they've inserted down in here. My neck normally doesn't tolerate stuff like this, but I'm interested to see, one, how this feels, and two, how the crown lift works with it. So let's get started. First of all, I'm just gonna say, Mellow, you need to work on your pillow smells. Oh, anyway, let's try this neck out. I hope it doesn't hurt my neck. Eek. Oh yeah, too firm for my neck. Ooh, no. Let's try it the other way. I knew that was gonna be like that for my neck with my fusion front and back, but we'll see. Let's see how this does. Yeah, it's not very comfortable. Their Mellow original pillow is way more comfortable, but I wanted to try it. We'll try the crown lift in it. Hold on. Okay, so let's try the 1-inch inside here. Just a quick zip up, and that's how she looks in there. Okay, let's try her out. Okay, yeah, now that's way better. So the difference now is that when you lay on here, the crown lift kind of holds your head up. Where in before, I know people like how your head sinks in pillows, but it's not supposed to do that. It puts all the weight here on your neck because our head weighs 10 to 12 pounds. So by having the crown lift in here, it kind of holds it up. So you see how it's doing that, holding my head. Watch when I take it out. And it's so simple to use too. I just don't know why more people aren't trying it yet. You guys need to try it. So watch so you see how now my head just kind of sinks down inside this pillow? And it rolls in this indenture right here. I don't like that. I don't like my head rolling. I like it more supported. And you should too, honestly. Because you want your head to be supported. Because that 10 to 12 pound head, it needs the support. This whole thing they've been telling us for all these years about neck support. Head support. This neck does not weigh 10, 12 pounds, but your head does. It's what needs the support. So, back to this with the crown lift. Notice I can roll back and forth and my head isn't sinking. It doesn't cause any kind of strain on my neck. This. Now that's a great pillow with the crown lift. Just saying. But if you were the type of person that liked this part, you could easily, so watch this, slide the crown lift this way, right? So it's down here for that neck ramp. Once your head is on this, it doesn't move. That's what holds it, is the weight of your head, because 10 to 12 pounds, it's holding it. But before that, you're able to move it and shift it where you want it to be, and then put your head on it and it stays. So let's just try this. Ooh, I hope it doesn't hurt. Okay, so it's too tall for me, like the whole pillow, but the crown lift definitely helps because, I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of curling down and holding my neck in there. So, crown lift will work either way on this pillow. So, Mellow, you did a decent job. The smell is horrendous. You need to work on that. But way better with the crown lift inside. Sorry to say, but not really.